Sonny here, just doing a quick vid on my trunk car, well, the wife's Holden trunk car. Oh, there's a sexy fucking sundown Civic right there. Anyway, everyone was asking me what was in the trunk. I said basically it's two 12s in the trunk, Aeroport, two 12s with the Sundown SAZ 3400. And she's does a 147.9 dB sealed on the dash and 3,000 clamped at 3,398 watts. So, and that's with a fucking leaking box. You see, this box is not designed for this Commodore, so I put that out of the Civic, put them in the trunk, slam it in the Commodore, bam, 47.9, leaking box, got fucking holes everywhere, covered up with MDF, screwed it down, bam. I ain't got time to build boxes for the show this weekend, so I just threw that in the trunk, bam. And but I've noticed, see, that's a shit dead nut there. But I noticed this back brace here is snapped. Snapped here, you see? See that? This one fucking too much bass, but she snapped right off the seam. Right there. If we check on this side, she snapped right off. See? So she's fucking basically ready to rip off. And my subs don't aim backwards, she aims forward. Subs forward, pull forward, bang. So, you know, pretty basic trunk, but she's the loudest Holden Commodore in Australia. And the only person that was closest to me that was a guy named Christian Lane. And he done a 146.5 dB in the exact same sort of model car. This car peaks lower than the car that he had, was a Holden Commodore VS. But see right here, shit just ready to fucking pop out. But anyway, that's a quick review. That's the wife's Holden right here, and that's basically it. If you got any questions, let me know. We're running all Sundown audio for the win. And yeah, peace.